Alright, welcome back. You are welcome. Today, we'll be looking at this very question and find solution to it. Which of these is a Pythagorean triple? We have 3, 5, and 4. And the second one is 6, 5, and 2. We have these two. We want to test this and test this. Pythagorean's triple. They are whole number, 3 whole numbers that obey the law of Pythagoras' rule. So, we have a right angle triangle to generate this. Pythagorean rule stated that the square of the hypotenuse, let's say C, the square of this hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square. If here is opposite and here is adjacent, then the sum of the opposite and the adjacent, when you take the square of the opposite, let's say here is A and here is B. By the time you take the square of this hypotenuse and you sum the square of this opposite and that of what? Adjacent, when they agree, we say Pythagoras' rule holds. And we want to test this. Any of this number, the one that agree with this, then it show that Pythagoras' rule, or it is a Pythagorean triple. The one that agree with this, it is Pythagorean triple. Now, in solving, we have 3, 5 and 4. Looking at these three numbers, 5 is greater than them all, so is the greatest of the three numbers. So, we'll isolate it. It is now representing this very C, and we'll square it. And then, any of these two can take A, but let's make 3 to be our A. And then 4 to represent our B. Now, 5 square means 5 times 5. And 3 square means 3 times 3. 4 times 4. 5 times 5 will give us 25. And 3 times 3 will give us 9. 4 times 4 will give us 16. So 9 plus 16 will give us 25. So it means that, therefore, 3, 5, and 4 is a Pythagorean triple. This is because the both sides agree. The hypotenuse, which is the longest side, the square of it, agree with the square of the two other sides when you sum them. So it's Pythagorean triple. Let's look at this. 6 is the highest. 6, 5 and 2. So we also pick 6 and square it equal to 5 square plus what? 2 square as well. 6 square is 6 times 6, which is what? 36. And 5 square is 5 times 5, which is what? 25. And 2 square is 2 times 2, which is what? 4. By the time we add this, we have 29. So we cross this equality sign. 36 is not equal to 29. Therefore, 6, 5, and 2, this is not a Pythagorean.